came across Slap Your Mama products when I was working in America and went to a conference in Louisiana. Bought it, loved it, kept bringing it back every time I come home. People said, you should bring it in, Peter, you'd be really good at it. I really was too busy with my regular business. However, my son, then 19, I wanted to teach him how to start a business because I thought it might future-proof him going forward. If you can start a business and run a successful business, then you'll never have to rely on somebody else providing that job. In fact, we've been written up in the financial pages of The Sun and interviewed and syndicated around Australia by Ross Greenwood as a bit of a business case. It worked out very successfully. He did go through university, got his degree, but he came out with money in the bank instead of a debt, so we're very proud of him. So that's how it started. We started by bringing in a pallet load, and I taught him about importing, channel to market, bundling, about wholesale, retail, festivals, markets, etc. All those things that would go into making this business. I personally needed a product I loved, and I needed a product that had a long shelf life because I simply did not want to have something that was perishable or needed to be frozen, etc. This is a fun product, we enjoy it, and it's like I have an alter ego. When I go to a festival, people go, "Hey, Slap Your Mama, how you going? Are you going to this festival?" It's been a very, very interesting exercise, and I'd say we met our first goal of teaching our son how to start a business and setting him up in that sense for with a valuable lesson for the rest of his life. That's the backstory. That's the front story. People now know us, they look for us. We've been to festivals where they say we only came back because we wanted to see you again and get some more products. Try it yourself.